Many users regretted updating to iOS 26 beta just days after the upgrade. Laggy performance, apps crashing, rapid battery drain, and all sorts of bugs have made the experience unbearable. Don't worry, this video shows you how to safely downgrade your iPhone back to the stable iOS 18. No jailbreak needed. The method is official and safe for all users. Let's begin. Before you begin, there are a few things to prepare before downgrading. First, you must use a computer for this process. Either a Mac or a Windows PC will do. If you're using Windows, make sure iTunes is installed and up to date. Mac users can use Finder directly. Next, on your iPhone, go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then Find My iPhone and turn it off. This is crucial to avoid activation lock issues during the downgrade or restore. Finally, please make sure to back up your device in advance. When downgrading from the beta to the official version, your iPhone will be completely erased and all data will be wiped. Once you're all set, let's move on to the actual downgrade process. Step 1. Download iOS 18 firmware. Open your browser and go to this website. Select your exact iPhone model, for example, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Once you're on the device page, find an iOS 18 firmware version labeled Signed. The verification channel for iOS 18.5 has been closed, and downgrading to this version is no longer possible. And click to download it. Only signed versions are currently allowed by Apple for restoration. Step 2. Connect your device and import the firmware. Use an original or certified Lightning cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Windows users, open iTunes or Apple devices and click the device icon in the upper left corner. Mac users, open Finder and select your iPhone from the sidebar. Now, hold down the appropriate keyboard key while clicking. On Windows, hold Shift and click Restore iPhone. On Mac, hold Option and click Restore iPhone. In the file browser that appears, locate and select the IPSA firmware file you downloaded earlier. Click Restore to begin. Step 3. Wait for the process to complete. Your iPhone will be erased and iOS 18 will be installed automatically. The entire process may take a few minutes. Make sure not to disconnect the device or use it during the installation. Once you see the Hello, Welcome screen on your iPhone, the downgrade is complete. You can now either restore from your previous backup or set it up as a new device. Want more useful iPhone tips? Be sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. See you next time!